You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this title, of course, of a famous book, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So let's clarify the pronunciation. The Strange Case, a book by Scottish author Robert Stevenson. Jekyll, alright, it's not Jekyll, not kill, it's ko, alright, it's a schwa sound, it's an sound. Jekyll, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Jekyll and Hyde. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Jekyll and Hyde. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.